Benny's balloon adventure. Benny loved balloons. One sunny day, he received a big, red balloon from his mom. He held it tightly and imagined flying away on an adventure. The wind suddenly blew and the balloon lifted him off the ground. Benny floated above his neighborhood, seeing everything from above. He passed over parks, schools, and even his friend Lisa's house. He waved to everyone below and they waved back, amazed. Suddenly, Benny noticed a little girl crying in a park. He gently floated down, landing beside her. "What's wrong?" he asked. The girl, named Mia, lost her puppy. Benny decided to help her. He held his balloon high and called for the puppy. Soon, the puppy came running, and Mia's face lit up with joy. "Thank you," she exclaimed. Benny realized that his adventure wasn't just about flying. It was about helping others. After they returned home, Benny promised to always use his balloon to lift people's spirits. From that day on, he would take his balloon with him everywhere, ready for new adventures and to help anyone in need. Benny learned that true happiness comes from sharing joy with others, not just flying high in the sky.